Ever had that sinking feeling when you realize you need to transfer money, but it's stuck in an account at a different bank? Maybe you need to pay rent from your savings account or top up your investment portfolio. Whatever the reason, the question pops up, can Ally Bank even handle external transfers? Let's face it, navigating the world of bank transfers can be confusing. There are fees, processing times, and a whole bunch of financial jargon that can leave you scratching your head. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about external transfers with Ally Bank. First things first, absolutely. Ally Bank does accept external transfers. This means you can move your money from another bank account into your Ally Bank account, and vice versa. This is a huge plus, because it gives you the flexibility to manage your finances from one central location, even if your money is spread across different institutions. Now, onto the nitty-gritty. How exactly do these external transfers work? Ally offers two main types of external transfers, standard transfers and expedited transfers. Standard transfers are free and typically take 3 business days to complete. So, if you initiate a transfer on Monday, you can expect the funds to appear in your Ally Bank account by Thursday. Keep in mind that weekends and federal holidays can add extra time to the process. Expedited transfers, on the other hand, are a bit quicker. They get your money there on the next business day, but there's a catch: they come with a $20 fee. So, if speed is of the essence and you're willing to pay a bit extra, expedited transfers might be the way to go. Here's a cool feature: Ally Bank allows you to set up recurring transfers. This is perfect for situations where you need to move money regularly, like monthly rent payments or contributions to your investment account. Setting it up once takes the hassle out of remembering to transfer the money manually each time. Alright, so we've established that Ally Bank plays ball with external transfers, and we've explored the different options available. But before you go on a transferring spree, there are a couple of other things to keep in mind. Firstly, there are transfer limits. These limits depend on your account type and how long you've been a customer with Ally Bank. It's always best to check their website or contact customer service to get the specifics for your situation. Secondly, when initiating an external transfer, you'll need some key information about the other bank account. This includes the routing number and account number. Double-check these details to avoid any delays or errors in the transfer process. A typo can really put a wrench in your financial plans. Finally, while Ally Bank itself doesn't charge fees for receiving external transfers, the bank you're transferring from might. It's always a good idea to check with your other bank to see if there are any incoming transfer fees you should be aware of. So, there you have it. Ally Bank is definitely on board with external transfers, offering both standard and expedited options to suit your needs. Just remember the processing times, fees, and transfer limits to ensure a smooth financial flow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.